Mambura ma gukunguira thayu uria uthiete na mbere na kutherera ngongo ciothe bururi-ini matabanirio guku Nairobi kuria atongoria ngurani megwikinyetie kuthurima baria ngeithi cia gatagati ka Uhuru Kenyatta na Raila Odinga citukinyetie.
When you saw that handshake, did you not feel peace? Did you not say thanks to God?
Ndumiriri-ini yake mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka ugite ni akenetio ni itua ria atongoria ya eri kuona makoretwo mubari-ini wa mbere kuburana na ungumania.
1 year after the handshake, I'm celebrating one thing: the determination on the part of President Uhuru to win the war, not just to fight, win this war against corruption and graft.
Na tondu kamuingi koyaga ndiri kanjo ya magavana kubitukira mwikariri giti wao Wycliffe Oparanya yabeana kiriko gia kunyita President Kenyatta na Odinga mbaru bari kuburana na ungumania.
We are committed, and that was one of our resolution during the last devolution conference in Kirinyaga.
Odinga mwenini wake ni amenereirie ale mareganite na ngwataniro yake na President Kenyatta akiuga matirongoreirie kurete rumena na mundu othe.
We are not in targeting anybody. This is bringing everybody together. The war against corruption does not target any person or any individual or any community.
Ngeithi cia thayu ni gatagati-ini ka maundu maria mebereirie Kenya guoya wa njukaniriro cia kiuteti na obo kubura njeki wonjoria. Ngiribotera Uhuru TV, njitagwo Masi, wadia wa Murithi.